Hey, what's going on, Summer Loving family? It's JP, and I'm back for another video in my Pedal Commander series of testing miles per gallon. But before we get to that, a few questions and answers. Yes, I shaved my beard. It is all gone, and I cut my hair. So, yeah, little change. I've had the facial hair for almost 2 years, and it was time for a little bit of a change. I'll probably grow it back in a little bit, but the long hair was driving me nuts, and I just had to chop it off. Alright, so back to the Pedal Commander series. I'm in the third video now, and I had recently set, as of last week, I set the Pedal Commander to Sport Mode at 0, and just finished up on the full tank of gas test. It was roughly about 200 miles. And came to another miles per gallon average. So for the sport mode at 0, my miles per gallon were sport mode at 0, no positive or no negative, 12 miles per gallon. So we're in the process of now resetting this, and then we're gonna go switch over to city mode +2. Alright, there we go. So we're all reset for the next test. Alright, so that is 12.0 miles per gallon on Sport Mode 0. So the Sport Mode +2 was actually 13.1 miles per gallon. Sport Mode +1 was 12.1 miles per gallon. And now I'm at 12.0 miles per gallon on Sport Mode 0. So tonight, before filming this, I filled up my tank. Alright, all filled up, 247 miles to go, and we're just going to run this down. So, first drive of the night, going into work. We reset the miles per gallon, and now I set my Pedal Commander to City Mode +2. So, I just went to City Mode +2. I didn't really think going to +4 make that big of a difference. I just wanted to mimic the Sport Mode where I started at +2. So I'll do city mode +2, I'll go +1, and then to the 0, and then we'll try the eco after this. So it's interesting to see how the miles per gallon is working out, and we'll see if there's any difference on the city mode. I will say that the pedal is not as, I guess, responsive, or the pickup of the Jeep is not as responsive as sport mode. Sport mode, you definitely feel the Jeep pickup. But city mode is for daily driving, so I can see why there's a little shift in how the pedal responds to being depressed. Alright, so that's all I got. This is a really quick video. I'll probably see you next week. They've been running about 7 days between fill-ups, and so it should probably be next week for the follow-up on this one. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell for notifications of more videos. I have some videos in the works. I just haven't been able to get to them yet. And today, Aurelia turned 4 years old, so we were celebrating her birthday.
Put the straw in your mouth.
And just been busy with work. What else is new? That's about it. Alright, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.